Thanks for joining us this week. This week we're changing out a lock on our RV. The mechanism quit working, so we're upgrading to one of those keyless entries with a keypad. So let me show you what we got. Let me flip you around here. That's what we went with. Imaycc keyless entry RV door lock. Highest security for your RV. So let's open it up and see what we got. There's instructions with it. I might need those. Not for sure what that's for, but I guess the instructions will tell me. Right. And there that is. There's the keys. Okay, so let me get out of the box now. I'll show you what it looks like out of the box. So that's what it looks like. That's on the outside. This is on the inside. Hopefully I measured right. I got the right one, so let's go start taking the other one off. Okay, right here's the one on our camper now. You gotta take out these 4 screws right here. I've already took out that one. Then you gotta take out the 2 screws right there. So I will show you when I have it out and see what it looks like. Okay, so I got it out. It took me all of about 2 minutes. See the foam insulation, and that ain't much for your front door. Just thought you'd want to see what it looked like. So let's see if the other one fits. So that's a success. We got the outside part on now. Got the screws in there. We had to unhook the little connector right there. Be careful not that you don't damage it when you pull it out. It's kind of tedious to pull it out. So now let's put the back face plate on there. Okay, so I got it all put on. The door closes. Looks pretty good too. This is fairly simple to do. I mean, it took me probably, I don't know, about 20 minutes probably. Okay, so I'm going to show you how they tell you to program the key bob, which is right here. Okay, so what you got to do, the orange is for the deadbolt. So how you program it, you got to turn this on right here after you put the batteries in. You can see right there it says fob. What does it say? Lawn. So you put something in there like a paper clip, and you press on this fob, the lock button, for 3 seconds till it beeps like 3 times, and then it walks. I've already done it. So let me show you how it walks. Let me see which one is which. That's lock. That's unlock. Okay, so let's try the regular thing and see if it works. This one right here, this is the main lock. So again, so I don't know if that works or not. Let me try something. Did not do for this lock. It's already defaulted to 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlock. Well, I got it installed. Now keep in mind the fob only works for the deadbolt, which is what we care about anyhow. That's the only thing we have a lock really is a deadbolt. But it works really good so far, so I think it's money well spent. I hope this helps somebody out. It's really easy to do. Anybody can do it. You just got to have patience to do it. I mean, it's 6 bolts you got to take out and put the other one back in. And then the directions are fairly simple on how to program the fob and how to program the keypad outside. I didn't show you that because, you know, it's really easy to do. Anyway, this is Kevin from Walker's Adventures. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next video.